Hi students! Here's how to annotate a graded assignment in Canvas. So let's click on your Modules tab, scroll down until you see the assignment that you want to annotate, and then click on the title to open it. The document will open in your doc viewer where you see the annotation tools at the top. All of these right here. Next, you'll see all these. So this is your point tool. This is your highlight tool. This is your free text tool. This is your strikeout tool. This is your free draw tool. And this is your area annotation tool. So what you want to focus on for this class is your text, your free text tool. So you're going to scroll down, and if you have the background selected, you could just type here and it will cover the text that's already there. So you type in the number, then enter your answer. Okay, you can change the size to make it fit. Use the select tool, your selection tool, to move it. Go back to your free text tool, and then you can select it here, and you can enter your answer here for number 2. And again, if you want to move it, hit your selection tool. You can move it down here, and you can make them bigger. And there you have it. So anytime you want to choose a tool, you just click the color you want, and if it has a color, like this one does, you can choose the color you want, and then select anywhere in your document to begin marking it up. Okay? Now your work saves automatically, but you must click the Submit Assignment button to complete the assignment and send it to your teacher. All right? Now, if you want to after you hit Submit and you want to resubmit or redo a new attempt, go back to your modules, go back to the assignment, and then click New Attempt. When you go to you'll see it'll say Attempt 2, and you have a fresh document you can annotate on. Okay? If you decide, oh no, I don't want to do that, just hit Cancel Attempt 2, hit Delete Work, and you'll see your answers are back, and you'll see Attempt 1 is back on your thing. And that's it. Quick, easy, and a great way to show your thinking. So let me know if you need help. Meet me in a live Class Connect, and I can answer any questions there. Have a great day. Oh, and make sure you hit the next button to show you're finished. Bye.